In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom dimension style in AutoCAD so your drawings look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. Start by opening the Home tab and locating the Annotation panel. From there, click on Dimension Style to open the Dimension Style Manager where all dimension settings are controlled. Next, click New and enter a name for your style so you can identify it later. After clicking Continue, you'll enter the customization window where you can adjust dimension lines, extension lines, arrowheads, text appearance, units, tolerances, and more. You can also control text size, arrow size, spacing, and scaling to match your project standards perfectly. Once you finish customizing the settings, click OK and set the style as current so all future dimensions use those settings automatically. Creating proper dimension styles helps improve consistency and saves time when working on large projects. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.